It is up.
Yeah, that would be a perfect start for maybe that Ribeiro encountered in that box. I think that's the only reason why it delayed for them to actually maybe try playing a 3.
And that's a said Sundowns a squad with so much depth. We've got a lineup here at the back. No, Mvala, Rapo. Flag up again for offside. Fancy the chances here to say, all right, maybe a bit of an unknown combination.
To be very careful in terms of how they build up, because you see SuperSport trying to have those pressing traps.
MTNA does this one, runs away. Nice combination here between Morena and Costa, but
right, you want to force him to go to his right, and that's what Senoka did. But also,
and they have now found a way through with Ribeiro, Costa, Shalulile.
Want to create this Ribeiro getting into that number 10 position, but look at the break. They're breaking so nicely. With Peter Shali, look at the angle here.
Now, SuperSport in space on this side now. Tries to fire one in, but you're not going to
see the angle was too tight. There's enough power there. Ulajuka Manje and Mangezi here on the left.
The previous record we haven't been 71. Let's have a look at this one from Reynolds. An excellent time.
As a right wing back, he's expected to track down the full
winners. Between them, ownership, of course, SuperSport United 3 times in a row. Flag was, and Pirates and Chiefs are 4 times. We've given a debut to the young Zimbabwean. His championship winning sides have been built on rock solid. Every coach has an identity and wants to impose it. Here's Allende. It's a dangerous looking. Now, Ribeiro Costa! What a save! What a save from...
Maybe played Shalulile through, but the instinct that he has, being one of the players as well from Mamelodi Ribeiro with that space, just, you know, the instinct of a player that one could have posted an instant shot there that he took.
12 goals he scored last season, the top scorer. As a shot. You see, that's going to be an interesting battle, that one tonight. Sport have regrouped defensively. And now, Morena, Shalulile is racing through the middle. Morena with a cut back to... The likes of... yeah, performance high gone now.
Yeah.
Come away with it, yeah. Something on, yeah. Look, good looking pace, yeah. Now, cut back, but
they just tried to go past him, and he had an opportunity to bring on the cross, but could cover there from Hollywood.
Something here for Mangezi, the new young fella, to chase. Reynolds, Ocon doing well to protect the ball. Yeah, probably
that's why he normally operates in the middle, and you can see Sanoka playing on the left of the side.
What a throw that was! A 0-0 draw. That was, as we have a look at this ball, it could be a chance here. Costa! Oh, what a chance!
To be able to try and take it from there. But it was really a passage of play from Sundowns. Morena, you know, bringing that cut back in the midfield. But look at the ball.
Looks promising. Nice work here from and across from Morena's not the best. We've been talking about not seeing much of the front men of SuperSport United. I haven't seen a lot of... Now, he could make an immediate impact here! He set it up beautifully! Just like that!
Very much finds himself in the right space, and I also like with Sanoka as well going down.
A goal in his Betway Premiership debut for his new of individual brilliance. That's what.
But this is what you needed. You needed players to be able to run beyond that defensive line, to break that defensive line, because it won't run just beyond them. It makes things a little bit simpler.
Especially they will have a bit of nightmares about that way. What he was doing, running towards his own goal and then giving... Tell you about the record of SuperSport coming from behind against SuperSport in
the players.
Beautiful ball slipped in here. Oh, that is an incredible paying stuff here. Aubrey Modiba. Oh,
Aubrey Modiba was such a good pass there, but Ribeiro did everything right because Goes is charging. You want to find yourself and create yourself the space.
SuperSport really now with on the ropes and wow.
But there's a nice ball being played there by Aye. Look at Makidiki to come through and have a finish there. That's what they knocked that SuperSport had, and just by his introduction, it just brings just sort of confidence within the team.
And Maritzburg did it in March 2022, coming from behind to win 2-1, match day 1 for the second season in succession.
Yeah,
did so last season as well. Now could be a chance here. Excellent save. He's hardly had anything to do.
He knows that the only thing that he needs to face now is the goalkeeper, but good save there from
Ralo. What a change, what an impact he's made in the game.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful touch.
It's a beautiful touch of putting himself in
trophy. 15 clean sheets last season. There from Air, puts the cross in. Now could be a chance. SuperSport, there's still time here to some extent. Let's have a look. It's Reynes that's going to make way for Sundowns as they look. Took charge of the side from the bench with Gavin Hunt up in the stands offside here. To come from behind in that game, by the way. Sundowns are going to last season being the top scorer. Wonderful here now, Morena. Little cut back here. Zwane!
Which they find on the right hand side. There's a nice cut back there from Tapa.
Fearing the worst against the team and tormented them for years. Swan is setting up another now. Let's have a look at this one, floated in towards the back post. But a bit too much. Eric Bangosu.